Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group Ek1 CC10 and we will discuss about our project about database on minimarket. Before we going into the first slide, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Kautsar Ramadan and these are my friends and my partner, Fajar Arifianto Mustika and Ilham Muharram. So in the first slide, we will discuss about system analysis and it will be handled by Ilham Muharram.
System analysis. Minimarket is a supermarket or small shop that provide food or service that are needs in everyday life by community. This definition is similar to the definition of grocery store. Expect that a mini market is a modern from a grocery store. In this database, we create Twitter is innovated in this mini market size as employees, customers, suppliers to product and transaction data. The paper else includes an analysis system which contains an expression of the mini market database. Schematic diagram contains SQL database diagram. Recent tables contain customer, supplier, employee, product, and transaction IDs. So this is a ERD. There are four entities and three relation entities here, namely there are customer, product, supplier, and employee. We will the relation they are by, the served by, and supplier is entity and relation exit as attribute. For example, the attribute from customer, namely there is customer name, customer ID, customer address, and customer phone number. While the example attribute of the relation we can see from the buy relation that is there are that transaction ID, customer ID, product ID, and lastly total payment.
And this is the schematic design. There are 6 tables, namely customer, product, employee, supplier, table transaction, and the last one is transaction detail. So each table has a primary key and each table has a foreign key. For example, the primary key is the most unique item from a table. For example, in the customer table, there is a customer ID. The product table has a product ID. For foreign case, we can see here there is a yellow key. This is a primary key, and the white one is the foreign key. So as an example, we can see that in the transaction details table, he takes the primary key from the customer table and product table.
So here there are 6 table design. The first customer, next supplier, and the next is employee, product, table transaction, and the last is transaction detail. In each table, there is a field name, data type, width, and description. Each table has different content from other table, and this from our project design table.
The next slide is validation performance. There is 6 table of validation performance. The first one is customer. There is a customer ID as a primary key, and the other one is customer name, customer address, customer phone number as a not null clause in the create table. The second table, supplier, it has a supplier ID as a primary key, and then supplier name, supplier address, supplier phone number as a not null clause in the create table statement. Next, there is a employee table. Employee ID is a unique item as a primary key, and the others is employee name, employee address, employee phone number as a not null clause in the create table statement. Next table is product. Product ID is a primary key, and product name, product by, product quantity is a not null clause in the table statement, and supplier ID is a unique item. Supplier ID is as a foreign key. Next table transaction. Next table transaction. The first one is table transaction ID. It's as a primary key. Total payment as a not null clause in the create table statement. And customer ID and employee ID is a unique item. They are foreign key from customer table and employee table. That transaction is a not null clause in the create table statement. The last table is transaction detail. The first one is transaction detail ID as a primary key, and product ID, customer ID as a foreign key. The product ID is from foreign key from product table, and the customer is from table transaction. Quantity is not quantity as a not null clause in the create table statement. And that's all from us. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.